The fast and accurate diagnosis of engine faults creates a more professional image and can increase your profits by saving on labour and unnecessary component costs. We have the solution. The Sealey TA4000 4-channel automotive diagnostic oscilloscope. It's one of the most competitively priced PC-based scopes on the market and is ideal for professional applications. This clever device is designed for quick and simple connection to any compatible laptop or PC, giving you the benefit of viewing on a larger screen. It uses a Windows operating system, making it more versatile to use, and enables you to save and print live data. And if you want to try the software before you buy it, just visit our website sealey.co.uk and download the full program for free. The 4 channels allow you to test up to 4 components simultaneously, and the system is loaded with specimen waveforms, so live results can be compared with these for a more accurate comparison. The following are a selection of the diagnostics you can use: ignition, secondary and primary ignition, ignition amplifier, camshaft sensor, oxygen sensor, CAN bus data, CAN bus LH long capture, injector voltage, Bosch diesel injector, charging circuit voltage, and starting voltage drop. The TA4000 is supplied with an in-car charger, mains charger, and a selection of worldwide adapters, a variety of leads with banana connectors and inductive couplers, HT extension leads for use with the inductive couplers, attenuators to reduce interference, a sensitive oscilloscope probe, crocodile clips, and back probes, which allow you to test a component without breaking connections. All this is supplied in a protective case. The TA4000, the essential tool for the professional workshop.